Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn numbers, singular and plural nouns. Okay, there are two types of noun when we study them in reference to a number, singular noun and plural noun. Okay, जब हम संख्या में बात करते हैं, नंबर में बात करते हैं, तो nouns can be categorized into two categories, singular noun and plural noun. Let's see what is singular noun. It refers to one person, place or thing. Means singular noun refers to one person, place or thing. Okay, like the boy was playing. Here boy refers one boy. The beautiful girl was my niece, girl. Okay, the knife is used to cut the vegetables, knife. These words are singular in numbers. Okay, next, plural. It refers to more than one person, place or thing. Yes, here the main word is more than one. Okay, it means a plural noun refers to persons, places or things, means they are more than one in numbers. Like the boys were playing. Here boys. The beautiful girls were painting the wall. The knives are used to cut the vegetables, knives. Okay, these are plural words. And the nouns that change their form from singular to plural are called countable nouns. Okay, I repeat, nouns that change their form from singular to plural are called countable nouns. Okay, it means a countable noun only changes their form, means a countable noun only can be changed into singular and plural. Okay, rules to change from singular to plural. Okay, means how can we change a noun from singular to plural or plural to singular? There are some basic rules to make plural noun from singular noun. Okay, your first and the most famous rule is by adding yes. ठीक है, by adding yes. तो s को ऐड करके हम सिंगुलर नाउन से प्लूरल नाउन बना सकते हैं. लाइक हैंड, हैंड्स, शेप, शेप्स, फ्रेम, फ्रेम्स. ओके, सेकेंड, नाउन्स एंडिंग इन yes, yeses, x, yesh and or sh form their plural by adding es. ओके, वो नाउन्स जो yes, yesh, sh या x से एंड होते हैं, यानी जिनके लास्ट में ये वर्ड्स होते हैं, उनमें हम es ऐड करके उनका प्लूरल बनाते हैं. लाइक गैस, गैसेस, ग्लास, ग्लासेस, चर्च, चर्चेस, टैक्स, टैक्सेज, bunch, bunches. Okay, but there are some exceptions also, means there are some nouns that don't follow the rule, like stomach and monarch. Stomach and monarch, as you can see here, stomach and monarch, these two words are ending with ch, but in plural they have yes. Okay, so generally it is said that when in pronunciation they give the sense of k, like k. Okay, monarch, monarch, so they are giving the sense of k. That's why only yes is used. This is the rule. Okay, next, If a noun ends in Y and Y is preceded, yes, the word is preceded, means preceded by a consonant, I repeat, a noun ending with Y and Y is preceding by a consonant, the plural is formed by changing Y into IES, like navy. Here the word navy is ending with Y and before navy it is V, okay, and V is your consonant, so we add IES, okay. Likewise, body ending with Y and before Y it is D, that is a consonant, so we add IES, then it becomes bodies. Likewise, story, stories, diary, diaries, duty, duties, okay. Next, if a noun ends in Y and Y is preceded by a vowel, yes, preceded by a vowel. In previous case it was consonant, in this case it is vowels, so S is used. We will not use IES when Y has vowels before itself. And how many vowels are there in English alphabet? 5. A, E, I, O and U. These are your vowels, 5 vowels, okay. So valley, valleys, key, keys, yes. Y, before Y it is E, that is a vowel, so valleys, only S is added, Key, E before Y, so it is only S, keys, days, monkey, monkeys, boy, boys, okay. Next, if a noun ends in F or FE, sometimes the plural is formed by changing F or FE into VES, yes. And one thing, why it is used sometimes? Because there are some exceptions, okay. All the nouns of such kind don't follow the rule, like leaf, leaves, thief, thieves, wolf, wolves, life, lives, half, halves, calf and calves, okay. Exception, some nouns don't follow the rule, they have yes only to make the plural, means कुछ nouns ऐसे होते हैं जो इस रूल को फॉलो नहीं करते हैं, यानी उनमें VES नहीं लगता, सिर्फ yes लगा के ही उनका प्लूरल बन जाता है, लाइक cliff, cliffs, chief, chiefs, roof, roofs, dwarf, dwarfs, proof, proofs, believe, beliefs, okay. Next, if a noun ends in O, sometimes the plural is formed by adding ES, like tomato, tomatoes, volcano, volcanoes. You can see tomato and volcano, these words are ending with O, so we use ES after O. We use es after O. Likewise, hero, heroes, mosquito, mosquitoes, zero, zeros, buffalo, buffaloes. Okay? So I repeat, nouns ending with O are made plural by adding es after O. Next, exception. Some nouns don't follow the rule. They have yes only to make the plural, like bamboo, bamboos, piano, pianos, photo, photos, cuckoo, cuckoos. ओके कुछ नाउन्स ऐसे होते हैं जो वो रूल फॉलो नहीं करते, यानी उनके एंड में ओ होता है फिर भी वो अपने बाद ईएस नहीं लगाते, सिंपल एस लगा के प्लूरल बनाते हैं, लाइक फोटो, फोटोज, बम्बू, बम्बूज. ओके. सम नाउन्स चेंज टू प्लूरल बाय चेंजिंग वॉल्स. कुछ नाउन्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनके बीच के वर्ड्स को यानी वॉल्स को चेंज करके उनका प्लूरल बनाया जाता है, लाइक मैन, men, foot, feet, mouse, mice, goose, geese, louse, lies, tooth, teeth. You can see here a. ठीक है, मैन में ए है तो हमने ए को हटा के ई लगा दिया, मैन कर दिया. फूड, डबल ओ को हटा के हमने डबल ई लगा दिया यहाँ पे. ठीक है. So likewise we have done. Next, some nouns change to plural by adding en or ren to the singular. Okay, like ox, oxen, child, children. Okay, some nouns don't change. They are similar in singular and plural. Okay, like deer, deer, dozen, dozen, sheep, sheep, fish, fish. Okay, however there are some other uses also in which these words have their singular and plural form. When we'll discuss of grammar of higher standard, then we'll discuss the rules. Okay. Plurals of some compound nouns are found by adding yes to the principal word and sometimes making ending word to plural form. Means जो compound words होते हैं, as you can see in the following words like daughter-in-law, washerman, stepson, mother-in-law, commander-in-chief. These words are compound words. Okay. So for making them plural, principal word like डॉटर इन लॉ में प्रिंसिपल वर्ड कौन से, डॉटर. ओके. सो प्रिंसिपल वर्ड का प्लूरल बना करके हम इनको प्लूरल में चेंज करते हैं, लाइक डॉटर इन लॉ, डॉटर्स इन लॉ, वॉशरमैन, वॉशरमैन. अब वॉशरमैन, इन द वर्ड वॉशरमैन, मैन इज योर प्रिंसिपल वर्ड, सो विल चेंज मैन इनटू मैन एंड द होल वर्ड विल बी चेंज्ड इनटू प्लूरल, लाइक washerman, washerman, stepson, so stepsons, principal word is son, so sons. Mother-in-law, principal word mother, so mothers-in-law. Likewise, commanders-in-chief. There are some nouns that are always singular. These are uncountable nouns. Okay. Tea, wood, scenery, news. These words are always in singular. However, when we'll discuss grammar of higher standard, we'll discuss according to the need, according to the requirement of the sense, these words are changed into singular and plural by adding some extra words. But we'll discuss this thing in videos of higher standard grammar. Okay. There are some nouns that are always plural, like people, trousers, scissors, spectacles. Okay. Likewise, these words are also used for singular and plural purposes. Okay. So we'll discuss same thing in videos of higher standard grammar. I hope you have understood the concepts. That's all for today. Thank you.